Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Hi, this is Bautista from metroguiderealty and welcome to our latest open house tour for a brand new 5-bedroom, modern balconies designed house and lot for sale located here in BF Homes, Paranaque City. So this is a spacious home with a lot area of approximately 294 square meters and a floor area of approximately 342 square meters. You can see that it has a very striking design, but it's also very modern and timeless at the same time. Now let's head on in. Coming into the side pedestrian gate, you can see that you have floor-to-ceiling windows for your entire living room, giving a very impressive facade to the house. And as we walk over here, you see that this perimeter wall gives you plenty of privacy for your living area. And heading on in here, you have a spacious 3-vehicle carport. So the house just finished construction, so we have some final touches like some faucets being installed as we go around the house. But from here you can see that you can easily fit 2 cars here with the 3rd car on the other side. And here you have additional storage space. And on this side, let's head on over towards the main entrance. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. If you're looking for a high-ceiling living space, this house is it. You have your ceiling stretching about 20 feet with large windows stretching all around the living space. So this is enough space for a beautiful living room set. And you also have this large window which leads to the master bedroom, which we'll take a look at later. And over here, upon entering the house, you have a powder room. You have a staircase leading to the 2nd level here with the terrace area extending the high ceiling all the way to the other side of the room. This is excellent for ventilation and makes the whole place seem and look even brighter and more welcoming. From your living area, you have your 1st bedroom on this side, which can also serve as a home office or as a guest room. So this room is quite spacious and it even has this oversized window which gives you a view of your parking area. In addition, you already have built-in cabinetry here. And your own bathroom on the other side. What's noticeable about this house is the color scheme. The color scheme is a nice blend of earth tones which is very elegant and really matches well, especially if you have furniture with bright pops of color. So there are so many possibilities here in terms of interior design. And from the first room, let's now take a look at your main dining space. Your main dining area is a central hub here in the ground level of the house, such that it connects your living space, your main kitchen, and the open patio lanai area. So the locks are just about to be installed here, but we can already open this up so that you can see how spacious it is. So as I walk out here, you can see that this is a great spot for family gatherings, and you see that there's an area here where you can have a table, and you can just imagine having an alfresco dining space out here, and you have these very relaxing bamboo plants surrounding the perimeter. And you have access here leading to the back of the house. So you have your water tank on this side, and you have access on the other side leading towards the parking area. Now let's head back in. From here, you can even increase ventilation and make the whole area even cooler if you open this up, giving you access towards the side of the house. So you can see the side of the house is a tiled area leading to the front pedestrian gate, and it's once again cooled by the bamboo plants all on this side of the house. And now from your main dining area, you have your open kitchen space. Your main kitchen is spacious such that you have enough area here for a small table for informal dining, or if you'd like, you can even add an additional island countertop here. You have custom cabinetry here, which is minimalist in terms of not needing any handles because they're pushed to open. So since the house just finished construction, the sink is the last piece which is going to be installed here in the next few days. And this door leads to an additional auxiliary kitchen space. So you see that you can even cut this out in the future and have an additional stove here if you'd like. And on this side, you can make this a laundry space. Let's head back in. From the auxiliary space, the main kitchen, the dining area, it's time to take a look at the second level. As an added note, you see this area, we're gonna have this closed off, especially if you have kids in the family, so that's gonna get closed off for safety. Now welcome to the second level of this house, where we have 4 bedrooms. From here, you see that you have a fantastic vantage point of your living space. So you can just imagine coming out from your room and having a view of your living space, and especially if you have guests here. And from here, let's now take a look at your master bedroom. Your master bedroom is spacious and full of light. You see that you have oversized windows covering 3 sides of the room. On this side, 2 large windows facing the front of the house, and a large window here, giving you a great view once again of your living space. In terms of the orientation of the house, west is on the back side of the house and east is on this side. So you enjoy the morning sun and morning light coming from here in the mornings. And you can easily orient your king-sized bed on this side, and you can have your television set on this side. And in terms of the angle from the street, you still have a lot of privacy such that you can't be viewed from the street because it's still covered by the roofing of your parking space. And in terms of privacy, of course, you're going to have curtains here. But there's plenty of space such that you can even have an additional storage space or even a study area on the other side of the room, even with a large bed. And here you have a walk-in closet space, which is immediately accessible once you come into the room. So you can just imagine, in terms of convenience, once you come in, you can already change in this area, and you have your master bath here with a dual vanity sink area. So you have floor-to-ceiling tiling. And now let's head on over to the third bedroom. So the third bedroom is in a cool part of the property since it's situated in the middle of the house, such that sunset is on this side, sunrise is on the other side, so it never really gets exposed to direct sunlight. But at the same time, it's still well lit because of the large oversized window. And in terms of the flooring, you have a very elegant wooden design for the flooring throughout the entire second level. And you also have your own bathroom here. And built-in cabinetry on this side. So we're just about to install the handles for these. And now let's take a look at the fourth and fifth rooms. So the fourth room is a corner room. So you can see it's very well lit with these two large windows. And there's plenty of space here in terms of having a large bed. And I'd also like to point out that you have a high ceiling for this house. And you already have a provision for a split type air conditioning unit. You already have the drainage ready for that. And on the other side, you once again have the cabinetry. And you have your own bathroom. And let's head on over to the fifth room. The fourth and fifth rooms are both corner rooms. In terms of size, they're very similar. And you can easily have a bed on this side and your television set on the other side here. And you have a regular shape for the room on this side. And then you have an extension space here, which is maximized by having a lot of storage space on this side. And a solo bathroom. So you can see that you have very elegant fixtures. And once again, a really nice combination in terms of the tiling. So you have two different tones for the two walls here. Even the texture is different. One is more of a matte finish and the other is more of a shiny finish. So it's very subtle, but it adds to the elegance of the whole bath space.
Property features, it has 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a 3-vehicle carport, a high living room ceiling, an open kitchen and dining area, a private patio area, an auxiliary kitchen, a maid's room, a storage room, and a powder room. And all this wrapped up in a unique and attractive design And the house is also beside a wide road very near Aguirre Avenue and major commercial establishments.
We hope you enjoyed that quick property tour video of this Balinese-inspired 5-bedroom house and lot for sale located in a quiet and peaceful community here in BF Homes, Paranaque City. So if you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista from Metroguide Realty. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Here's one more look at this modern Balinese-inspired 5-bedroom house and lot for sale in BF Homes, Paranaque City. Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.